We're off to a new adventure. And this time we're going to experience the winter in
Korea.
Yeah. Fun with Ruth,
Ellie,
And Elisha.
Here sa airport, we're gonna pay our travel tax.
Lala.
For adults, it's 1,620, and then for Elisha,
But sad.
it's 810. Man.
Hi guys, we're here in the airport. It's the I want mama daddy. I want mama daddy.
Sa airport, meron silang luggage repack area. So, pwede nyo i-weigh yung luggage ninyo before kayo mag-check-in. Tapos dito pwede nyo i-repack.
Mommy, drive me.
Hey! Hi! We're so tagal, no? In checking in our baggage.
Mommy, hi. My maker.
Mama with the salad. Hi! Oh, there's a line again.
Oh no.
Another line after the boarding line.
Bye, Filipinos.
Bye, Filipinos! Bye, Philippines!
Bye, Philippines. Bye, Philippines. I miss you. Mama.
This is the arrival card. We need to fill it out before arriving. And then immigration card, custom declaration form per family. The flight from Manila, Philippines to Incheon, South Korea took almost 4 hours. Here's a view when we're about to land to Incheon International Airport. Hi guys! We just landed here in Incheon International Airport. Wala na kaming kasabay because it took a while for us to put on our winter clothes. Supposedly kasi dapat sa airplane siya. Kaso, ang liit pala nung CR nung airplane. Halos hindi makagalaw. So, yon, kami na lang yung naiwan dito. And now, we're heading to the train that will bring us from Concourse to Terminal 1. In the train. Next stop is immigration. Gonna get our baggage and carousel 11. This one, 5J188. Let's go. That's the baggage area. Need to go downstairs. Come on. We're gonna buy ticket first. Here.
Tapos doon na tayo kumain.
Hindi, dito na.
Dito?
Oo.
Okay. Seoul Station. Yan. Ano oras? I think dun na tayo.
Alas 3?
3 p.m. Kaya ba yan?
3 a.m.?
3. Hindi, kasi
1:49
KTX mo is 5. Kaya nga doon na tayo kumain.
Hindi tayo abot ng
3. O di 3. Para chill na tayo. So, ang 45 minutes yan, di ba? Tapos may bata.
2. Ano siya?
Child.
Inupuan kaya to?
Ha? 78,001. Magkano lahat yun?
Ticket.
So, it's printing ticket.
There.
Got it.
Wait.
2 tickets. And after... So, we bought 5 tickets for us. It's gonna dispense here.
So, later, sa platform 6. Doon sa kabila. Hanap muna tayo. There's Holly's Coffee. Ako na lang muna. See you. Mama Yoko. Oh, here. That's 6. Later, doon tayo. Sasakay ng bus. We got the midnight bus. Hanap mo tayo makakainan. Gutom na. Ang mga first one. Japanese ramen. Mukyoku. Ayan, dito tayo mamaya. Lalabas. Late night bus. There. CR. Mukyoku. Ano pa bang meron? May loteria ba dito? Kasi mas mura yung loteria. So let's look for loteria. Kasi yung ibang mga kainan dito, medyo pricey. So let's look for it. May mga matatanungan. Ooh, I can feel the coldness. Oh, there! Loteria. Yan. Let's eat here. I'll call them. Hey. Hey, girl. You're still awake. And lively. Let's go. Wow. I'm gonna eat here. Wow. What's this?
I think we can bring the stuff inside.
Yes. And we have roughly 30 minutes. So this is the double burger something. 30 minutes. And Ria's bulgogi. And Elisha's chicken fillet.
Wait, kanina to?
And my fries.
Ayo.
Guys.
And then
Guys, and my fries.
they have the classic
And
burger.
my fries.
And Elisha's fries. Ito yung kasama na drinks.
Where's mine?
Yan.
Daddy, where's my juice?
So, all in all, ang bill namin ay 39,001. Let's eat! Bago tayo sumakay ng bus going to Seoul Station.
Walang mozzarella.
Maanghang ang chicken fillet ng Loteria or Burger Lab.
Sa Vietnam.
Can you? Can you handle it? Yes? No. If you can't, bebe, you just ano.
I'm just gonna drink juice.
No, you're gonna have ochitami. You eat the fries. Daddy, how about the mozzarella burger?
Yeah.
Daddy's looking for the mozzarella. Where's the mozzarella?
Ito.
The white one. Oh, okay. Mine is Ria's bulgogi burger. Let's try it.
Ako naman.
Hey.
Ikaw muna ba? Wait lang. Can you video ako sa
Bebe, you can eat this. It's not spicy. Try it. CR na. Korea. May family. Yun, it's here for kids. At sinira ni Bagets. Come on, let's go! Hi! We're inside the bus na. It's super cold. It's cold, right?
Yeah.
But it's getting warm na.
Daddy, this.
Hey, Daddy.
It is getting warm, but it's rainy. Okay, when it's sleepy, you let me sleep. Yes?
Yes, baby. Hi!
I'm over my top.
Okay. Hi, Daddy. We're here in Seoul Station. We thought it's 24 hours. Apparently, it's not yet open. Ang lamig. Ah. Ang lamig.
Ah! Look! Look! Ah!
Oh yeah.
So guys, 4:20 daw nag-open yung Seoul Station. So next time I will go here. Dapat
Bababa ako to.
4:20. Ay, nako. Buti na lang energetic pa si Elisha. So cold. Whew. Whew. This is Seoul Station. It opened at 4:20 a.m. So we're gonna buy a ticket for the 5:15 KTX. So nakabili na kami ng ticket. 5:13 yung ticket namin going to Busan. And then we need to go down daw. I'm not sure where. To KTX. Is there a way going down? Is there? Ooh, lamig. Ito yung papuntang airport railroad. Is this the way to taxi entrance? 5:13 pala kami, 001. Track 10. Okay. Let's do this. 4:42. We're now in the KTX. Halos walang tao. Kami lang. Hi, bebe. Hi. Hi. We are now in Busan at may batang nilamig kasi kakagising lang. Hi. Hold on. Let's look at Busan Station. This is Busan Station. It's nice. It's big then. Whew. Okay. So we're now off to our hotel. Hi, baby. Hi. To Hyundai Playa de Blanc. It's 25,000 won with toll gate. So it's 30 minutes away.
Where do you come from?
Philippines.
Oh, Philippines.
Yeah.
Oh, I know Philippines, Manila.
Yeah. Hi guys. We are now in our room in Playa de Blanc Hotel and Residences. Well, actually, we booked studio room. This is their CR. Right there. Their shampoo, body wash, conditioner. But there's no... sorry, sabaw na. Pagod.
Guys,
Toothbrush. There.
guys,
This is the towel.
guys, you know what?
Towels.
Mommy, can I talk to you?
And the CR
Can I
is
talk to them?
automatic. Oh, election is the top.
Guys,
Careful.
I had a magic trick for you. It's a magic trick and it's open with a remote.
Hold on. Here first, you show our kitchen. So there's a kitchen.
And there's a Taki.
Is this a ref?
Yeah, that is a ref.
Wow, it's a
Wow,
ref. Oh,
wow.
there's water. Wow. Let's see.
Ah.
Wow.
Ubus kaya.
Ubus? What's this? Wala. Door lang. Yan. Hugasan. Washing machine. Nice.
Guys, I had a magic trick right here. Come
Wait
on.
lang, wala pa. Here is the stove, rice cooker, electric kettle. And then
And
this one.
you can make some juice too. Right?
May mga baso na. Let's see, what's this?
And you can make some
Oh,
juice.
there are cookwares already. Oh, so it's like an Airbnb talaga. Okay. Kaya ang daming nagbubuk dito na Koreans.
Gonna be so cold.
And then,
Ooh, so cold.
wow, wala. And
I had a magic trick.
we have a
door.
living area.
But guys, I had a magic trick for you inside my room.
Okay, what's your magic trick?
I cannot know. This is a... Do you know what is inside? This magic tricks. How do I carry this one? We didn't see it.
Wow, what's
Or
this? Wow.
Wait, I didn't know stop. There's the other
So
one,
big deal.
guys. Guys, guys, wait for me.
It's worth the
Guys,
pagod,
look.
guys.
Look at my door. It's
Wow.
And the other one is
But
more
parang,
food.
but there's
It's
no
more
hanger.
food.
Baby, where's your sleepers?
There's a hanger. Okay.
And
Okay, and this is our bed. Wow, we have a king size bed and a single bed.
but there's no surprises.
What's this? What's this? Oh, it's a condenser. Okay.
Yeah, it's a good thing.
Huwag na natin buksan yun. Then, what's this? This is... No view though, but it's okay. You can go out for the view. Yan ang view natin. So, okay lang. So, that's it. So, after our almost 24 hours of travel from our house to Busan, here in the hotel, hi, we can say that it's worth it because of this big room. Spacious room. This will be our home for the next, kailan ba? 9, 10, 11, 12, 4 days. So let's check. Is it clean? Clean, clean, clean?
Hey, I'll clean.
Clean. Because we cannot clean. Oh, this is for the aircon. Okay. We're gonna ask na lang. Baka there's a control. Okay, so far it's clean. Good, because we saw some reviews that sometimes though it's not clean. So better to check first. Okay. So they cleaned it. And then the front, the person in the front desk asked us if we want to have our room cleaned tomorrow. So I told her that we'll just let her know. There. Oh, Daddy's figuring out how to open the water heater.
Where?
Careful, bebe.
It's on.
Yung gas?
Yes. Para, you know. So it's gonna get...
Oh, this one. Oh, nice. Okay. Hi, guys. We just woke up. Grabe yung pagod namin from our house up to Busan. Busan. Parang inabot kami ng Mas kami ng house ng around 1:30, I think.
Yeah.
And then, dumating kami here sa Busan around 9:30 a.m. Ito palang floor nila ay may heater. So, mainit ngayon dito sa sa sala. Ayan. Here. So, may mga sinipon na sa amin. So, nag-ready kami ng mga gamot. And we told our doctor kasi that we're gonna go here. Tapos, winter. So, sabi niya, magdala kayo ng mga gamot. Kasi mahirap malaman yung kung ano yung mga gamot-gamot dun.
But guys, you know what? I had something for you. We sleep very good, but we sleep a long time, but we're late sleeping a lot too. We're not late sleeping, we're late sleeping. That's how. So guys, I'm gonna block on my cell phone and I can see you vlogging.
Okay. So ngayon, we're gonna talk kung lalabas kami or bibili na lang ulit sa convenience store para malabas-labas yung rest. So, yun lang. So, si Elisha, meron siyang how many layers? Let's show. Yung pants niya ay 3. 4. Tapos yung top niya ay meron siyang
2.
base layer na 2. Tapos trench coat.
It's -5 nga. -6 yun.
Jacket. Tapos meron siyang neck warmer. Tapos scarf. At sa ulo naman niya, meron siyang
Bear.
ski.
bear.
Ano to? Cap? Tsaka itong bear ng Kuya Given niya, na hiniram niya. Kasi cute. Tapos naka-gloves siya. Tsaka your shoes. Show your shoes. Yan, pang snow na shoes niya. Ayan. At ako, naka 2 layer ako ng pants, 2 layer ng ng socks, shoes na boots, and then 2 layer din ng top, 1 base layer, 1 mid layer na makapal, at jacket, saka itong scarf. Yan. And then si Daddy is para pag pumunta kayo dito ng winter, alam nyo kung ano yung suotin niya para hindi kayo manginig.
Pwede mo naman yan. Okay, mid layer. Ikaw.
Meron siyang base layer, mid layer, turtleneck to, tapos neck warmer, tapos ilan yung pambaba mo?
2 lang. Kasi
Tapos,
kaya ko eh.
Boots.
Boots.
And
Siyempre, naka-wool socks kami from Decathlon.
Yan.
Okay.
Let's go.
I-start pa ako.
Look, they gave us new set of towel and water. Guys, we're outside na. It's cold. Ang tutulong sa amin ay ang Naver app. This is the hotel lobby. So, halo-halong hotel yung nandyan. So, make sure you look for Playa de Blanc. Hey!
Yung lamig, tumatagos pa din.
I'm not cold.
But si Elisha, 5 layers na, 6.
Oh, she's not cold. Yabang, ha? Ayan, medyo nadidisorient ako pag ganito kalamig. So, yeah, tara. Lakad tayo. Meron ditong Palais de Ang mga meron dito ay, may Starbucks, may Paris Baguette, may 7-Eleven, may CU, at BH Sea Chicken. Diyan tayo pupunta at BH Chicken. Coffee Smith. It's so nice. This place is so nice. Sobrang lapit sa mga establishments. So, diba? Katabi niya yung Y Collection Hyundai.
You know guys, it's so cold here. But I'm not cold.
Yeah. Yung lamig na niya ngayon, bearable. Para kang naka-aircon. Oh, there's a guy, oh. Here. Tawid tayo.
Come here, baby. Hold daddy's hand.
What's this? Hey. Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay. Tawid tayo. Daming kayo nandito, buti. At least. Oh, yung mga kasama naming senior, naiwan na lang sa room to rest. Oh. Okay. So we need to go inside now.
Don't run, baby.
Perks of having a long, makapal na hair. Hindi masyadong malamig sa Fez. Ah, hotel pala to. Or condo. Yan.
Pero yun lang talaga.
Whew.
Kailangan mo yung ano, sa hangin.
Dan tayo ng CU. Cause we're gonna try to withdraw. Yan. Let's go. Ayan. So, nag-withdraw muna kami ng 50,000 won gamit yung GCash. Medyo natagalan kasi hindi ko ma-figure out kung ano yung pipindutin. Ayan. So, apparently, kapag gusto mong mag-withdraw ng 50,000 won, tapos gusto mo buo. Wow! Yes. Oh, this is Hyundai Beach na, yung harap. Wow! So, yun. Kailangan mo lang lagay na gusto mo ng 50,000 na buo. Ayan. Oh, may Atusam place dito. Here? Come on. Pull. Anyong. Okay.
Kala ko may gusto kang...
Chicken. Ito, the chicken.
Chicken lang.
This is okay na.
Wow. For this day.
Ito yung menu nila. They have fries. May potato with shala, oh.
We're gonna buy some chicken.
Han.
Ha?
Saka roast tteokbokki.
Yun yun. Gusto mo yan?
Gusto mo?
Ako, okay lang.
Ay, di mamaya naman mag-ano tayo, try natin yung night market. Ng kanin. Wala kasi dun sa BHC. Pwede naman daw magpasok ng kanin. So, where can I get the bap? So, para maalala nyo, full. If you want rice, that's bap. Okay, kimbap. 안녕하세요. Bap?
Bap?
Yes. It's already cooked. I can eat it.
Microwave.
Oh, okay. Okay. How is it different?
Ingredients.
Just plain.
Just plain. This size. Small, medium, large.
Okay. Too large.
Right.
Thank you. Already cooked?
Yes.
Whoa.
Have to.
Microwave.
Yeah. 3 minutes.
Okay. Oh, yun. Microwave natin. Kaya na natin siya. It's 2.9 per cup. May iba-ibang sizes ako kasi dito. Large. So, open natin siyang konti. Kasya itong dalawa. Okay. So, kailangan daw na 2 minutes. So, 1,000. Hindi ko sure. Hindi natin mainit yung rice. Mag GS25 tour tayo. Oh, may mga charger. Mga Juvanes. Oh, Juvanes. Drinks. Snacks. Ano kayo sabihin ng 2+1 tsaka 1+1? Buy one, take one? Plastic cups. Snacks. There. It's done.
get some? I wash your hands, so go.
The rice, marami na rin. Let's do this. What's this? Han?
I forgot. What's a parang soy siya eh.
Yung isa, classic.
No, this is cheese. Something.
Cheese.
Let's try it.
Soy. Let's eat. Wings. Dosa.
It's yummy. Not spicy.
Hot ha?
A little bit.
Chicken.
Ah.
Chicken.
Yummy.
Sarap naman, guys.
Sarap naman, guys.
Sige, ito. Video. Chicken?
We're done eating dinner and we bought some food that we can eat inside the hotel.
And guys, after we buy some food, we will buy snack for mommy, me, and daddy. And I'm gonna buy the cutest circle one. I'm excited to eat that.
Okay. Oh wait, we're gonna cross the street. Whew.
Come on, it's too cold na.
Whew. We're here na sa hotel. Ito yung palatandaan. The Mark Hotel. Pero, Línea de Blanc din siya. Same entrance. Whew.
Yeah.
Oh, this is the front desk. Yeah. Actually, may mga kainan naman dito, pero syempre, you wanna explore something else. May GS25 din dito eh. Ayan o. Oo. Oh, there's pizza too. Ilan siya? Tapos kami ulit.
The wind.
Try namin ang -9.
Hi guys.
At 12 midnight.
Hi
Sa
guys.
Busan.
Hi guys.
Hi. May batang design.
Pony. Yeah. I got it.
Dito tayo.
Dagdag ako na isang layer. And it's comfortable now.
Oh, nauna na isa.
Alexa, where are you going? Doon na tayo uli.
Dito, dito. Ito yung gitna. Elisha. Wala. Hey.
Hello.
Hurry
Oh, go.
Oh, go.
Let's go. Tumatagos ah. Sa legs. Here. Go straight.
Dalawa lang yan.
Dito tayo.
Dapat nagtatlo ka na eh.
Sa legs.
Oo nga, nagtatlo ka na.
Mommy.
Dalawa lang.
Mommy.
Po.
Mommy, when we're hungry, we're gonna eat snacks.
Yes
Later,
po.
sa-
Siya sa lamig dito. This is Hyundai Beach. At walang tao.
Come on, meron. Can you cover your mouth?
Lamig na dito. Mas mahangin. Hey, hey. Oh. Oh. Along the beach, maraming kainan. Tatan. Oh, grabe. Oh. Meron pang naglalakad sa may beach. Bukas na tayo mag-picture.
So cold? Kaya mo?
No.
Oh, put your hands inside.
Put your hands inside. There you go.
I'm getting scared of this stuff.
Super cold? Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go there. No, I'm not just. We just want to go to the sun. Let's go to the sun.
Hi! Hey guys!
Jump.
No, Elisha. Slippery. Come on, let's walk. So So, dito kami kumain kanina. Yan. BHC. So, we're trying to walk ng madaling araw because we wanna try. Let's follow the master. Master Elisha. Uy, saan ka pupunta? Wow. There's a garden here pala. Where are we? Di ko sure. Ha? Asa ba tayo? Ah, hotel. Bebe, this is the hotel.
That's a parro.
Let's go there. I saw something.
Si Doraemon?
I did not know something.
Paradise Hotel. Hala, nasa hotel premise tayo. Hindi ko alam eh. I don't think we're allowed here. This is the hotel. Come on. Elisha.
You hold it, oh. You hold the chain.
Guys,
You hold
look
the
at
chain.
this. This is so large. This is large.
Look, oh. Daddy's gonna hold. Like this, oh.
What?
Ha. Okay.
Guys, it's so large. I did not know I could go here.
Come on. It's
I
getting
think this
too
is
cold.
for mermaids, guys.
Yes.
So you could-
Lapit pa yan.
No, it eats. It eats. It eats. It eats.
We're at E-Mart. We're gonna try their
Maybe they're
coffee.
sleeping.
What did we get? There. Some noodles. And before sleeping, at mag-settle down, kain muna ng something hot.
And look.
This is chapaghetti. And this is noodles na not spicy. Oh, gulo ng gamit. But it's fine. Yan.
Spicy to eh.
Ang hirap kasi talaga kapag winter, talagang magbi-mix and match ka. And we tried coffee from, ano nga to? E-Mart 24. Yan. Black coffee. Masarap naman siya. Yan. And with that, we end our first day in Busan, South Korea. If you liked our video, please subscribe to our channel.
Thank you for watching. Bye. Ma.